Isn't this so beautiful? Isn't Mother Nature so beautiful? Seriously. If this water, if this stuff on the ground, these trees, the grass, the breeze, the leaves, if none of that existed, why should we exist? If Mother Nature does not exist, why should we exist? I don't know what to live for if Mother Nature didn't exist. Because I love nature. I love the water. I love the trees. I love the grass. I love the bushes. I love everything Mother Nature. So, if that didn't exist, I would have no need to exist. This is so beautiful, so relaxing. So many people come to the water to clear their minds. Clear your mind. Look at it. Everything in Mother Nature does exactly what it's supposed to do with no stress, no fighting. It just does it. But we're the only ones that struggle, fight, and try to control. That's not what Mother Nature does. When it's cold outside, Mother Nature knows what to do. When it's hot outside, Mother Nature knows what to do. Go to a place where it's real sunny. Everything is beautiful. Everything is alive. Everything is green, red, yellow, pink, purple. All the colors and then some. Colors you've never seen before Mother Nature can be. Mother Nature could be any color it wants to be. And it can look any way it wants to look. Look at this. This is one particular area. But if I go to a whole nother state or a city or country, it's going to look, Mother Nature's going to look totally different. Mother Nature is beautiful. Mother Nature is everything. How can anybody not love that? Look at that water. Look at it. Look at the sun. Somewhere up there I can't see. It's shining so bright and beautiful. You should always try to clear your mind. Do what you gotta do to clear your mind. If you gotta come sit by the water, come sit by the water. If you gotta listen to music, listen to music. If you gotta meditate, meditate. Whatever you gotta do, do it to clear your mind.